Today, we're really trying to cut through some of the noise, the anxiety around AI and jobs. Our mission here is to unpack what's really happening. It's actually a pretty fascinating, nuanced picture. We're seeing new opportunities, big changes to existing roles. Basically, it's reshaping what work even means.
And that reshaping is, well, it's profound. Look, the headline figure, it sounds alarming, doesn't it? 92 million jobs displaced globally by 2030. But when you dig into sources like the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report, you see this stunning counter-narrative, a projected net gain of 78 million jobs by that same year.
And a gain. So for you listening, that probably sounds counterintuitive. How does that even balance out?
Exactly. Let's try and unpack that.
Okay, because this is where it gets really interesting. It's not just like more jobs overall, but it seems to be about a revaluation of human work itself.
Yeah.
PwC's Global AI Jobs Barometer, for instance, it paints this picture of a major economic shift. AI leading to a, get this, fourfold increase in productivity growth.
Fourfold. That's huge.
It is. And a substantial 56% wage premium for jobs that need AI skills. So, it suggests this isn't just about cutting costs by eliminating jobs.
No, it's more strategic. It's about amplifying what humans can do, creating more value. And if you zoom out a bit, look at the industries. Those with higher AI exposure, they've shown 3 times greater growth in revenue per employee.
3 times?
Yeah, a 27% increase compared to just 9% in industries less exposed. It clearly indicates AI is making workers more productive, more valuable. It's kind of breaking that old productivity paradox we used to talk about, where new tech didn't always immediately show up in the output numbers.
Okay, so the numbers are pretty clear. AI boosts productivity, boosts value. But maybe the surprising thing from our research is how this shift isn't just about changing old jobs. We're seeing entirely new professions pop up, like prompt engineers. Who knew that would be a job title?
Right, specialists crafting just the right queries for large language models.
Or AI ethics specialists, which is crucial, making sure this tech is used responsibly. And obviously, AI and machine learning specialists are, well, among the fastest growing roles out there.
It really signals where things are headed. It's a future of augmentation, you see, not outright replacement. A huge part of this is AI enhancing the jobs people already do. Take healthcare, for example.
Okay.
AI can dramatically speed up diagnostics, maybe analyzing medical images faster, more accurately in some cases, or just streamlining all that admin work.
Right, the scheduling, the paperwork.
Exactly, and that frees up doctors, nurses, to spend more actual time on patient care, using their, irreplaceable intuition, empathy, complex decision-making. Imagine that shift.
That's a powerful example.
Yeah.
Or think about the legal field. We found sources showing AI tools streamlining things like document review, legal research.
Tedious stuff, basically.
Yeah, freeing lawyers to focus on higher value work, strategic thinking, building client relationships, even creative fields. 83% of creative pros apparently already use AI.
As a partner, though, a collaborator for brainstorming, maybe generating initial concepts. It lets the human creator focus on the bigger picture, the strategy, the emotion.
So this really brings up a key question then for you listening. What skills do you actually need to, thrive in this new landscape?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Our sources point strongly towards a kind of hybrid skill set. Yes, technical literacy, AI, big data that's surging. But interestingly, so are the uniquely human-centric skills. Analytical thinking, critical thinking. They remain the absolute top core skills needed.
Right, because you need to assess what the AI gives you, question it, spot potential bias, understand its limit.
Precisely. You can't just blindly accept the output.
And maybe the most important skill overall for this era, it seems to be lifelong learning, constant adaptation.
No question. The World Economic Forum projects, 39% of existing skills will be outdated by 2030.
39%.
Yeah.
And the skills employers want are changing 66% faster in jobs most exposed to AI.
That's rapid change.
So for you, staying curious, continuously learning, it's not just nice to have, it's paramount.
Absolutely. And if you connect all this, the big picture isn't really humans versus machines. It's humans augmented by machines. It leads toward this state some people are calling super agency, where our own capabilities are amplified by AI.
Super agency. I like that. So what does this all boil down to for you? It really seems to be about proactively embracing this shift. AI isn't just another tool like a hammer or a spreadsheet. It's becoming more like a collaborative partner, one that empowers you, frees you up to focus on your unique human strengths, your creativity, critical judgment, empathy, connecting with others.
The things machines can't replicate.
Exactly. And that leaves us, and you,
Yeah.
with a really compelling question to think about. As AI increasingly handles the routine, the predictable, how will you leverage your uniquely human qualities? How will you use them to not just get by, but to truly thrive and innovate in this landscape that's changing so fast?